I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to Binance margin trade. Margin trading allows you to use borrowed funds to open larger positions than your capital alone would permit. This can significantly amplify your potential profits, but it also increases your risk of losses. Binance provides both isolated and cross-margin modes, giving you flexibility in how you manage your collateral and risk across different trades. Understanding these basics is crucial before you start. To begin, you first need to activate your margin account on Binance. Navigate to your wallet section and enable the margin trading feature. Once activated, you'll need to transfer some funds from your spot wallet into your margin wallet. These funds will serve as your collateral. Remember, margin trading carries substantial risk, so always proceed with caution and a clear understanding of the potential outcomes. Now let's place a trade. Select your desired cryptocurrency pair and choose either isolated or cross-margin. On the trading interface, you'll see an option to borrow funds. Specify the amount you wish to borrow. Once borrowed, you can then place your buy or sell order, effectively using leverage to increase your position size. Always keep an eye on your margin ratio. Managing your open margin positions is critical. Continuously monitor your margin level to prevent liquidation, which occurs when your collateral falls below a certain threshold. To close your position, you'll need to repay the borrowed funds plus any accrued interest. This ensures your account is settled. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Happy trading!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.